Last year, I got to watch the Fast and the Furious next to a bunch of supercars, including a Ferrari F40. But more about that later. Proceeds from this event went to the children's charity Bear Cottage. It was nice to get together amongst cars you don't see every day and support a good cause. This was held at the Shannon showroom in Artarmon, Sydney. Cars in attendance included McLarens, Lamborghinis, including one of my favourite cars, the Lamborghini Countach. I really like this Alpine A110. I've never seen one of them before. There was even a Mark IV Toyota Supra. The main attraction, of course, was this Rosso Corsa Ferrari F40. I was so excited to see this car. It's such a work of art, and seeing one for the first time in person, I couldn't stop smiling. The F40 is the last car Enzo Ferrari personally approved of. First built in 1987 to celebrate Ferrari's 40th anniversary. The F40 was a groundbreaking supercar, known for its raw, unfiltered performance, with it being the first road car in the world to go over 200 miles per hour. Only 1,315 F40s were made, making them extremely rare and sought after. I had a quick chat with the owner Warren, who mentioned he's owned this car for 11 years. The space was nicely set out with a big inflatable projector screen and beanbags to rewatch one of my favourite movies, 2001's The Fast and the Furious. Watching this movie next to an F40 was a crazy experience. I kinda just kept looking over at it during the movie. If automotive content is your type of thing, please subscribe for more. I'll catch you next time.